So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to morning market briefing. So first of all, as we see, we'll check the SGX first, right? So going to SGX, we can see there's a gap up in the in Nifty as of now. So it's 100 points gap up. So market is trading somewhere around 6950 or 16950, right? So now logically we have seen yesterday that market has shown a very good fall after the gap down, right? Even after that. So we have discussed that 17,000 was the support for market, but market closed that below that, and it closed somewhere around 16,800. Now it's a gap up. So probably the overall structure seems to be still weak. So it's a sell on a rise market as of now. So the overall structure for Nifty is again weak. So we will be only just selling the market as of now. Okay. Now looking at the OI structure, you can see again it's clear short. Yesterday we have, if you see the absolute change again, so again यहाँ पर आपको short ही दिखेगा. So no specific buying as of now. So no bottoming out pattern seems to be in the market as of now. If there is a moment coming up on the upside, it's just a sell market. Okay. Now if you go to the options, so you can see as of now 17,000 and 17,100 call has been, there was a huge addition yesterday. Okay, almost like 90%. The total OI has been added yesterday only. So if you see like 38,000 is the OI in 17,100, 37 lakhs, sorry, it has been added only, yesterday. Same happening with like 17,000. So market might take resistance at these levels and again come down, right? So on the downside, if you see, so if market breaks 16,800 further, so we can see 16,500 is the next level for Nifty on the downside, right? Let's go and check the Bank Nifty. So if we see the chart for Bank Nifty on daily, just give me a second. Okay. So this was a support somewhere around 37,000 as we have discussed yesterday. So market uske niche close hua hai, and you see the OI has increased. So this is a clear short position. And if you draw a trend line from here, probably you will see that market has closed below that. So that could be again a good sell signal. So if market moves up, so we just need to go and sell the market. Okay. If we go and check the OI, so you can see that's a huge short. Absolute change is again very big. So from last, like, since December, I think we can see this is the very huge short we have seen. So if we see the OI for Bank Nifty specifically, so any rise towards like 37,500 could be a good selling opportunity. Further, if market falls below 37,000, so that's again we can see 36,500 and 36,000 level in Bank Nifty also, right? Now let's go and see the gainers and losers yesterday. Humans India, ONGC and TCS were the only three top gainers with very minimum gain, very marginal gain. On the downside, we can see Metropolis 12% in copper, and LIC Housing Finance are showing like approximately, in the range of 8 to 12% fall yesterday, right? The contribution from sector-wise specifically. So all were negative yesterday, right? So private bank mostly, and then NBFC we can see, right? And then FMCG and IT are up almost same, right? If we go on the built-up side, so mostly you can see probably on the short or unwinding side. So auto ancillaries and NBFC are the short side specifically. Now, sorry. So if we find the stocks, so let's go and see some stocks on the short side. So the structure of the market is weak, so we can just go and have a cycle. So we can just do that. So we just need to find the stocks which shown probably just first short yesterday, okay, after a short covering. So if we can see, it's two shorts, again 2 shorts here, SDFC. So IndusInd Bank shows a first short after short covering. So we can go and check IndusInd Bank. So if you see the technical chart here, so that's nice. So यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे, so this was a breakout again, so it failed again. Market gave you breakout, so this again failed. and this was a short position yesterday we have. Okay, so if we check IndusInd Bank, so that's a fake breakout here, probably IndusInd Bank. Okay, so that was a short covering, and then we have a short yesterday. Okay. So IndusInd Bank, we don't have any specific put option which is supporting. So any rise towards like 950 could be again a good selling opportunity. Okay, and 980 could be a good resistance, right? And on the downside, we can anticipate like 900 and 880 would be the next target for the IndusInd Bank. So first stock seems to be IndusInd Bank, and second, if we go and see where we have the first short, probably Petronet. Okay, so this was short and short covering, and then we have a Petronet. So we can go and check the Petronet also. Okay, so again, we had a breakout here. It just came down after that, right? So Petronet seems to be again a good stock for short. Let's see. So here we actually okay, so if if this rise was just again a sorry, we did to see the Petronet. I opened the okay, so this rise was just a short covering, and then we have a short yesterday. So so that means again we can go and create a short position in this. So Petronet again, so you can see unwinding in 220 and 250. So if the stock falls further below 215, we can create a short position. Any rise towards 220, again it is a short position. So we can anticipate at least 210 and 200 rupees target in this stock, right? So 220 will be a good resistance for the stock. Okay, and anticipated target could be 205 and 200, right? So these are the two stocks, IndusInd Bank and Petronet. We can go and create a short position in this. So create a proper strategy which has limited risk, and so that you can gain the benefit of market falls further, right? Okay. Now coming back to the ban list specifically, so India Bulls Housing Finance is the new addition in this, and these are all this thing. Okay. So so that was the analysis for the today's market, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much.